Hey guys, this is because we are studying about the design of steel structure. Now, there was a topic, what is steel structure? In steel structure, structural steel is the main load carrying material to the transfer the load within them and to transfer the load to the ground. स्टील स्ट्रक्चर एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है जो कि मेन लोड कैरी करता है, जो कि मेनली लोड को कैरी करता है और ट्रांसफ़र करता है टू दी ग्राउंड थ्रू दी दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर स्टील स्ट्रक्चर एंड लाइक वी seeing I beam, T section, channel section, steel plate, etc. Steel concrete composite structures are also used in high-rise buildings. ये structures high-rise buildings में mostly use होते हैं. And common steel structures are there: roof truss in factories, cinema halls, railway, etc. Crane girder, columns, beams, plate girder, bridges, transmission tower, water tank, chimney, etc. ओके, सो ये कुछ स्टील स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं जो कि देखने को मिलते हैं, जैसे क्रेन गर्डर हो गया, कॉलम्स, बीम्स, वाटर टैंक, चिमनी, सिनेमा हॉल्स एक्सेट्रा. ओके, नाउ दिस इज़ द ओल्ड आर्च ब्रिजेज. ओके, दिस इज़ द स्टील स्ट्रक्चर. You just see this. This is I section. This is L. Okay, so this is a old arch bridge. Okay, now this is a frame building. Okay, this is made by the steel. You just see something like you just see the in this building mostly use of this steel. Okay, now advantages and disadvantages of the steel. High compressible strength and tensile strength per unit weight, hence low construction weight, save spaces. ये स्पेस को सेव करता है. इसकी हाई कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ होती है, टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ हाई होती है. ओके, एंड लो कंस्ट्रक्शन वेट होता है इसका, एंड गुड एस्थेटिक व्यू. यू नो गुड एस्थेटिक व्यू मीन्स ये देखने में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. विजुअल क्वालिटी good quality and durability is a C, and very high speed of construction. स्पीड ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन अच्छा होता है अगर हम स्टील का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड रीयूजेबिलिटी एंड स्क्रैप वैल्यू, इन्वायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली होता है, लाइक इको फ्रेंडली होता है. इसका हम स्क्रैप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, इसको रीयूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड better solution to cover large span and tall structure. इसमें हम लार्ज स्पान के स्ट्रक्चर्स को बना सकते हैं, टॉल स्ट्रक्चर्स बना सकते हैं स्टील के थ्रू. एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस, हाई कॉस्ट इनिशियली, एंड कोरोजन लग सकता है. लो फायर रेजिस्टेंस, इसका फायर रेजिस्टेंस लो होता है. जस्ट सी what is the steel structure. Now there is a definition of the steel structure. Structural steel is a category of the steel construction material that is produced with a particular cross section or shape and some specified value of strength and chemical composition. You just understand. And structural steel composition: strength, size, shape, strength, and storage are the controlled in the most advanced countries. The word structure steel includes the broad variety of low carbon, manganese, steels that are used in great number of civil and marine engineering applications. इनका यूज़ मैराइन इंजीनियरिंग एंड सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में होता है. And numerous steel structure also include minor quantity of significant addition of other elements like niobium, vanadium, antimonium, aluminium, etc. You see, these are called high strength low alloy or microalloy steels. Steel structure are manufactured in the section and plate shapes are normally used in bridges, buildings, shapes and pipelines. You just understand they are used in the bridges, building, shapes, ships को build करने में pipelines. And there is a chemical composition of some typical structural steel. This, there you see type of steels and designation, IS code, कौन कौन से IS code यूज़ होते हैं, and C carbon, manganese, you just see sulfur, you just see phosphorus, you know, silicon, carbon equivalent, which is standard structural steel IS 2062. ये कोड है इसका IS 2062. इसके अकॉर्डिंग इन सब का कंपोजिशन होता है. यू जस्ट सी दिस एंड दिस इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. माइक्रो अलॉय हाई स्ट्रेंथ स्टील, कौन कौन से माइक्रो अलॉय होते हैं वो आप देख सकते हैं. एंड you see here Fe stand for steel and number after Fe is tensile strength in Newton per mm or megapascal. Just see K, what is K? K means killed steel. You just see SK, semi killed steel. C for carbon, Mn for manganese, S for sulfur, P for phosphorus, Si for silicon. These all are about the what is sign we use in this table. Now the property of structural steel, physical property and mechanical property, two properties are there. And physical property you just see unit weight, unit mass of steel 7850 kg per meter cube. Modulus of plasticity E equals to 2 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर में. ठीक है. एंड पॉइजन्स रेशियो must learn 0.3. This is the unit loss. And modulus of rigidity Z 0.769 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. Coefficient of thermal expansion you just see 80 or alpha T 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree centigrade. You see mechanical properties, yield stress is Fy, the tensile stress is ultimate stress Fu, the maximum percentage elongation on the standard gauge length, notch toughness. Okay, these properties seen on this is IS code for steel IS 800-2007. Okay, this table in IS code. Here grade A, what is grade A, grade B, grade C. You just see this table and not important, just see and learn something in this table. And you just see here Fe 410 AW. What is the significance of Fe? Means iron. 410 means ultimate tensile strength, grade A, and W stands for weldable. Okay. Grade A, steel of intended to be used in a structure subjected to normal condition. Grade B, steel is intended to be used in structures subjected to non-critical applications where surface temperature do not fall below 0 degree centigrade. Grade C, steel has guaranteed low temperature up to 40 degree centigrade and impact properties. Okay. Now, rolled steel section. There are various types of rolled steel section manufactured are listed below. Rolled steel I section, this also called beam section, rolled steel channel section, rolled steel angle section, rolled steel T section, rolled steel bars, rolled steel tubes, rolled steel plates, rolled steel flats, and rolled steel sheets and strips. Okay, you just read this and just learn. Okay, now rolled steel I section, and one by one we see this I section, which are also called as steel beams or rolled steel joists, are extensively used as beams, lintels, columns, etc. They are used for the beams, lintels, columns, etc. It consists of two flanges and one beam. Okay, and these are available in various sizes ranges from 75 mm into 50 mm at 61 newton per meter, length to 600 mm into 210 mm at 995 newton per meter length. Okay, following five series of rolled steel I section are manufactured in India. These are five series. ISJB stands for Indian Standard Junior Beams. ISLB Indian Standard Light Beams. ISMB Indian Standard Medium Beams. ISWB Indian Standard Wide Flange Beams. ISHB Indian Standard Heavy Beams. You just see I section. What is I section? Here, this is I section. Here you just see two flange. This is two flange. Okay, and a wave. This is wave. Okay, this is wave. Okay, now you just see here this is a wave thickness. Okay, and beam depth, flange thickness, flat radius, flange width. This is not more important, so just now we going to next rolled steel channel section. Channel section is type of C section. Okay, this is not enough important. The channel section or C section consists two equal flanges connected to web at both ends. Channel sections are extensively used in steel framed structure. They are available in various sizes ranging from 100 mm into 45 mm to 400 mm into 100 mm. Corresponding unit weights are 58 Newton and 494 Newton per meter length respectively. These sections are classified into following four series: ISJC Indian Standard Junior Channel, ISLC Indian Standard Light Channel, ISMC Indian Standard Medium Weight Channel, ISSC Indian Standard Special Channel. Okay, you just see here, this is a babe, this is a flange, this is also a flange. These two flanges are connected with the single babe. This is a width and depth and flat surface, you just see here. Okay, now we going to next page. Here, rolled steel angle sections. Okay, This is L type of section, is known as angle section. Here two angles ISA Indian Standard Equal Angle, ISA Indian Standard Unequal Angle. Thickness of legs of equal or unequal angles are same. Rolled steel equal and unequal angles are designated by their series name ISA followed by length and thickness of legs. Okay, this is for ISA, and you just read it. And this is for ISA, this is for equal angle, and this is for unequal angle. Okay, just see, and we are going to next page. Here, T section, rolled steel T section, IS and T Indian Standard Normal T bars, ISHT Indian Standard Heavy Flange T bars, ISSLT Indian Standard Special Leg T bars, ISSLT Indian Standard Light T bars, ISLT and ISNT is stand for Indian Standard Junior T bars. Okay, this is T type of section. You just see here. Okay, now here, as per IS 808/1984, the following T section have also been adopted. These three sections are also adopted: ISDT, ISMT, ISHT. Okay, now rolled steel bars, and there is two words are adopted here: ISRO and ISSQ. Okay, you just read it. And here, rolled steel tubes. Yeah, this is not more important. This is, and rolled steel plates. Here, rolled steel plates are following thickness are available, and in this thickness rolled steel plates are available: 5, 6, 8, 10, and to the 80. They are rolled in widths, and these are widths for the rolled steel plates. And this is just you read, if read this and learn it. Okay, this is not more important, just you learn the name of these rolled steel plates and what is the structure of the rolled steel plates and rolled steel strips. Here you just see, and range of the width, range of the thickness, and examples also you learn. Okay, and rolled steel flats. Okay, you just see here, rolled steel flats. Flats differ from the strips in the same sense that their thickness of the flats is 5 mm onward and their width is limited. Flats of the following width and thickness are listed is in IS code. Okay, now you just learn width, range, okay, and thickness is here, and they are designated by width following by letters ISF, and thickness for, you just learn the example of this. Okay, 80 ISF and 80 mm wide, this Indian standard flat of thickness is 10 mm. Okay, now this is loads and various types of load. Here introducing the dead load, imposed load, wind load, earthquake load, erection load, accidental load, secondary facts. Okay, these are loads. And wind load, you know about the wind load. Okay, this is caused by wind. Wind load are considered in design if the height of the building is more than 15 meter. The intensity of wind, the load depends upon the velocity of wind, size and height of the buildings. To calculate the design wind pressure or a total load wind on buildings, the following expression is used. This expression is important for the gate and IS, because here question arise from the this formula. Okay, pz equals to 0.6 bz square, where pz is in newton per meter square at height z, and vz is in meter per second, because this is the velocity. You know what is the unit of the velocity. And you just see up to the height of 30 meter the wind pressure is considered act uniformly. Okay, 30 मीटर तक आपको ये यूनिफॉर्म कंसीडर करना है. above the 30 meter wind pressure is considerable. Okay, may increases. Okay, in order to calculate the bz, the following expressions is used. bz equals to k1 k2 k3 bb, where k1 is risk coefficient, k2 is coefficient based on terrain, height and structural size, and k3 is a topography factor. Okay, this is a wind load. And okay, now this is enough. So thank you so much.